Up first this evening, the Ministry of Education is prompting school administrators and parents to warn children against doing the skull breaker or tripping jump challenge. This latest social media challenge has been causing injury and death worldwide. And as we hear in this report, it's now a cause for concern locally as Jamaican students are also participating in the challenge. Another social media challenge gone horribly wrong. It's not quite clear where exactly it started, but the skull breaker, tripping jump, or jump trip challenge has made its way around the world mainly through the video sharing social media site TikTok. But the dangers of the challenge have become evident, with numerous persons, predominantly teens, becoming injured. As seen in the video, it involves 3 persons, but one is said to fall with the risk of serious injury. One Meadowbrook High School student has fallen victim to the challenge, suffering a broken arm. One other local case has also been making the rounds online, involving a student of another high school. These have prompted the Ministry of Education to put out a warning. In a release today, the ministry called for school administrators to crack down on this new practice among students. They're asking schools to take every step necessary to end the practice of this challenge. The ministry is also calling for parents to warn their children against participating. Meanwhile, a similar warning has come from the Office of the Children's Advocate. The OCA says it acknowledged the incident involving the Meadowbrook High School student. It is calling for parents to talk to their children about the risks involved in participating. Other ministries of education in the region and around the world have sent out similar warnings, highlighting the risks of concussion, neck and back injury, as well as death.